Hey guys, Ben, Ozzy, and I brought my beautiful pup because, you know, if Ozzy says this house is epic, then it must be amazing. And it is amazing because look at this view. We have 180-degree views, a massive lot. It gave us the ability to do this incredibly rare large deck, which you can't find in the bird streets. We have 3 levels here, a rooftop deck. It's a very custom home. It's not a spec home. You can see that all the fit and finish is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, let's go check it out. Ozzy, look at the staircase. Now this staircase is incredible. The city, it took a year to get all the plans and permits just for the staircase. It's an architectural staircase that goes through the entire property.